Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Andito tayo ngayon sa tower ng Hatta, which is Heritage Village. So, paakyat na tayo guys. Oh my god! Akyat pa more!
Hello!
Hi!
Please subscribe, like, and please click notification button para lagi yung updated sa mga gala namin. Bago pa naman.
Ano nang bago? Sana all may bago. Tapos yung bago mo. Bago? I don't have bago.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself.
Hello guys, as you can see, andito kami ngayon sa top of the first tower at yun yung Heritage Village. Pupuntahan natin siya right now. So here we are. Welcome to the Hatta Heritage Village, and stay right here right now because I love to show you guys, to share every one of you guys. And if you think that this is very helpful for you guys, please leave comment and like.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I need time. wheels. A nice road it feels. I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal? I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
Ito siya, Fort Nikita.
Yung nakita natin kanina, Hatta Towers. Yung sana.
Nasa gitna pa ng dagat yung ano dati o tower.
Ito na yun eh. Sana, ito na naman siya eh.
Yung pinuntahan
Ito na yung nakita natin, di ba? Pinta ko.
Okay.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe. There's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
And this one is
Bullets.
kawawa naman sila dati oh, ganito sila oh. No? So dito naman tayo sa village restaurant nila guys.
Baka puro stop mo dito.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night. Windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah, I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I seen it last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight, but trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light. Alright, I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing?
Yeah! Ha? Ano mo, wag mo masyadong ng bright. So ito yung nakikita mong view sa baba, guys. Sige, itry mga paru-parugang.
Paru-parukit, nalilipat-lipat.
Hello guys, andito naman kami ngayon sa nagka-camping kami since close ang Hatta Dam. So dito na lang kami sa baba, nag-stop over at saka nagka-camping kami ngayon. So tingnan natin kung anong dala nilang pagkain, guys. Of course, ang favorite kong adobo pisaw at manok, syempre rice at bulalo sa mainit na panahon. So ayun guys, kakatapos lang namin kumain. Hindi ko na po siya binubuhay. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you next time. Bye bye. God bless.